Salad is healthy food that can be made from vegetable and fruits. To make a salad is very easy. The materials are fruits, vegetable, cheese, honey, mayonnaise, milk, and the last is bread. The first is cut the fruits according to the size you want. Cut the fruits, cut the bread. Please make sure that the fruits are still fresh because it can make the salad taste perfect. The third is combine and mix together milk, honey, and mayonnaise, and then stir them. And then you need one place to combine and mix all of the materials.
After you have combined all of the material, so the salad is finished and ready to serve.
You need the cheese for the topping above salad, and you also can add some topping to make the salad look perfect. I'm so sorry if the video looked dark because I made it for sahur. We have finished and this is the salad.
Waktunya sahur, waktunya sahur.